Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we're going to be making homemade french fries. Now before we get into this video, hit the subscribe button over here and smash the like button over here. Now let's get started. So first, we're going to wash the potato. All get wet, make sure it's on cool. Get the dirt off.
You have to get the dirt off of this one because we're not gonna use the skin anyway.
Okay.
That's just when we do like when we did the potato wedges episode.
Well, just in case.
Rinse it off thoroughly. There you go. All right, shake it off. All right.
And then. Yeah, I'm gonna
dry it off thoroughly a little bit. Pat it dry. There you go. Good job.
Sleep tight, little one. Next, I'm gonna peel the potato with this.
What is that? A peeler.
A peeler.
I never taught you that. This is your first time actually using a peeler.
Yes, thank you. And it looks like this has to do with muscles.
No, you gotta. I've never showed you how to use it. I want to see if you can use it. There you go. There you go.
There you go. Now I'm getting the hang of this without my dad.
I just want to see if you can do it. It's not gonna cut you, so you're fine.
Yeah, we did a test first earlier. Come on, go fast. Is there another way to go faster?
I'll tell you what, I'll do it and I'll show you the right way to do it. It takes a little bit of pressure, but you're not used to it because you've never done it before. Here, you take the camera and I'll do it.
Hold up. All right, hold up.
Nope, you're not squeezing hard enough. Here, come on. See that? You just start here, apply a little pressure.
How can you do it, but I can't?
But it's 30 years of doing this, that's why.
I wish I was 30 years of doing this.
No, you don't.
Why?
Yeah, because I'm getting old now.
Dad!
I got a lot of years in the game.
How many years have you been cooking?
I started when I was about your age, but professionally.
Say what?
Professionally since I was 18.
Or what did you cook for?
I did 25 years in the Navy as a chef.
Oh, you guys hear that?
I had my own catering business for a few years, and I taught culinary arts.
Well, why are you not in the Navy now? Why are you doing this?
Because I retired. I retired almost 2 years ago. There you go. So we'll just cut off the dark spots, and we'll turn this into.
Wait, what?
See that right there?
Is that rotten?
Nope, it's not rotten.
Or bruised?
It's just how potatoes grow, buddy.
What?
These are root vegetables.
Root. All right, now what are we doing, Dad?
Now I'm just gonna make them into French fries. Just want to cut that little.
Wait, what are we gonna cook it?
How we're gonna cook it or cut it? What'd you say?
Cook it. That's what I meant. Sorry.
Oh, well, right now I'm just gonna cut them into.
We're gonna fry it?
Yep, we're gonna fry it.
Okay, I thought we were gonna boil it.
No, we're not gonna boil it. So I'm gonna cut these down into little 1-inch pieces, right?
We're not gonna do like the bumps, like, you know.
So that right there is a French fry. Okay?
Yay! Man, did you invent French fries or what?
No, I did not invent French fries.
Because I don't think French fries was invented back in the 19s.
I don't know how long French fries have been out, but that's a great
I know,
thing you can
not
Google.
me either.
You can Google that and find out.
Ooh. You know what I'm thinking, Dad?
I do. I'm a mind reader.
Bruh.
Bruh. And be careful because potatoes can be slippery and they'll slip right out of your hand and you'll slice a finger off. We don't want that.
Oh, please be careful. We don't want to lose any fans.
All right, there we go.
I mean, I don't want anyone to get hurt if you're watching our show, so. Probably just get a adult supervision maybe
So look,
for this.
These are little thin French fries. We're gonna stick them in some water here.
So that's what our French fries are like when it's raw?
Yes, but machines do this professionally, and they do them like super fast, and they'll do thousands of potatoes at one time. They'll peel them. Listen. They'll do thousands of potatoes at one time, some maybe even millions. These giant machines in factories, they'll peel them in seconds, and then they'll cut them into these little pieces here, and they'll throw them in the freezer. And they'll cook. They'll individually quick frozen, is what this IQF, individually quick frozen. They'll literally flash cook it, remove them from the heat, and then flash freeze them in the freezer. And then they'll put them in bags and send them out to places like McDonald's and Wendy's and all those other places. All right. This is just a home way of doing it. See, there are your fries. Now we're gonna go preheat our oil and fry them.
Question: can machines like do the bumps thing, like the bumps that we get from like those bump fries, like
the curly fries?
Yes.
Or the wavy fries?
The curvy and the wavy.
Okay.
How do they do that?
This right here. This right here, this blade makes wavy fries. That's what we did on the fish and chip episode. So go back to season 3 and look at fish and chips. This is what I use to cut it, and this makes wavy fries. Okay.
Probably check 1 through 5 because I think that's where the fish and chips are.
Yeah, I don't remember which episode. I know it's season 3, episode 5 maybe. I don't know.
Episode something.
But yeah, look up Cooking with Kid Troy fish and chips. This is the French cutter that I use to cut the wavy fries. See, simple, right?
Do you want to do that to the fries?
No, we're done. Okay. Let's go cook.
All right. Yeah. Come in hot. Sorry, that was a delayed start.
Yeah, that's weird. So yeah, we're gonna heat this oil up, and then we're gonna drain the fries and get them in the grease.
So now we're gonna drain our fries and then fry them.
Turn upside down, hurry up. It's taking too long.
I'm a slow loader, okay? Slow learner, not slow loner.
You just slow.
Hey, I'm just a slow loner, okay? Hold on, we'll be right back.
All right, let's get them in the fryer.
All right. So now my dad's gonna fry them. Stand back. Oh my God.
That's about the temperature. That's on between medium and low. I'll kick it up to about medium again. So now I'm putting it back on medium. You don't want to cause a kitchen fire.
Yeah, because
potatoes contain a lot of heat. A lot of water. Water and grease don't mix. And that's how you'll start a kitchen fire. So to prevent that, you gotta drain it of water, okay?
That's why we drain it.
As thoroughly as you can. And let this cook for about 6, maybe 7 minutes.
Okay.
And then we'll take them out, season them with a little salt and pepper, and there's your homemade French fries.
And then voila. Why? Just why, Dad?
Yeah, these are starting to float. Looking good. That's good. We'll let that cook for about another 3 minutes. And they'll be ready. Oh yeah, these are turning nice and golden brown. Oh, look at that. We'll let that cook for about another 2 minutes. And we'll be good. We'll start to cook. Those are almost ready. All right, these are looking good, people. Look at this. Look at that. Look at these fries, nice and golden brown.
Now we're gonna just put them on the plate. Uh-oh. So we're just gonna put them on the plate with napkins just to probably get some of the grease off of the fries, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Cut that off. Got one more fry. And now, as soon as you get them out of the grease, you hit them with a little salt and pepper or whatever your seasoning of choice is. Bada boom, bada bing. Yeah, get a close up of that, Troy.
Oh. I'm probably gonna taste the ones that has the most salt.
There we go. Yep, just a little salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Pepper and
All right,
salt.
there we go.
Salt and pepper. Pepper and salt. So here's our homemade French fries. That looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below, share this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!